Hello, welcome to This Old Geek. I'm Mike Esker. In this video, I am going to show you two ways to paper mache and separate your puppet heads. With this first puppet, I am just laying the paper mache right on the clay head. You can do this if you don't have any aluminum foil to cover it. The only difference is that it's going to be quite a struggle to get the clay out. You have to, after you cut it open and separate the head, I had to cut it all the way down a little bit deeper in order to separate it. It's a bit of a struggle to get it separated. I had to really use some strength to pull it apart. And then you have to dig it out with a spoon, just being careful not to ruin the paper mache. I mean, if you have enough layers, you have to have at least 3 layers. It should be strong enough to hold up while you dig it out. And here I had to dig this out of the nose. Then with the other puppet, I lay on some aluminum foil. Now I do this because it will make it easier, a little bit easier, to separate it. I won't have to dig the clay out of the head like I did with the previous one. After I have the head completely covered with aluminum foil, I then start to paper mache the head, doing a layer at a time, letting each layer dry before I apply the next one. Then when the head is completely dry, I cut it just like I did the other one, cut it in half. I use a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, to help pry it open. It still takes a little bit of work, but you don't have to dig it out. Still takes a little bit of work to get it separated, but it comes off easier. You don't have to dig it out like I did with the previous puppet head. You clean out any stray aluminum foil, and there you have your 2 halves to put together. If you liked this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment, let me know what you think. I really like to hear your feedback, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.